Hey spooky people, what's up? It's me, Caitlin, back today with another super quick video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can take a super simple dress and style it to be alternative. I believe you can take any dress, regardless of the color or silhouette, and style it to be alternative by just adding some really cool accessories. This is a great alternative to buying new clothes if you're on a budget, or if you just want to slightly refresh your wardrobe but don't feel like spending hundreds of dollars on new clothes. The dress I'm wearing today is from Old Navy, and I got it right off the clearance rack. It was only about $7. As you can see, this is a peasant dress. It's definitely more of a bohemian style, but the way I'm going to style it today is going to give it more of a witchy and alternative vibe. So jumping right into it here, I'm wearing this really cute bat necklace from Vampire Freaks, and I'm wearing a mermaid skeleton necklace that I bought at a farmer's market near my house. I'll try to list the Etsy shop in the description of this video if I can remember what it is. Since the neckline of this dress is pretty low, I thought it would be perfect to show off some spooky necklaces, and that is a great way to add a little spooky touch to your outfit. Any type of necklace or choker can really set it apart. Here I'm just showing you my makeup and my hat. I did a darker eye and a darker lip. That is still kind of neutral, but definitely more on the darker side to kind of add with the alternative aesthetic. I'm also wearing this felt hat that I always wear. It is from Moon Rabbit Collective, and I think the hat is also definitely adding a witchy vibe to this outfit. Adding bracelets and rings is also a great way to spice up your outfit. The ones that I'm wearing don't really match. It's just my chakra bracelet and my Harry Potter bracelet that I wear a lot, but you can add any type of black and white bracelet to set this apart, or even silver would look nice as well. Lastly here, as you can see, I styled this dress with some combat boots to give it a bit of a more edgier look, but you can also layer this dress with fishnets or opaque tights if you're in the colder months of the year. I think this dress would also look really nice with a statement belt around the waist. This is the end of my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a few new styling tips for your own wardrobe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay spooky.